Jai Hind friends, let's start with the investor. So investor is doctor by profession and he has invested since 2019 and his portfolio size is currently 1 crore, and he says that he wants to stop investing from now onwards as he need money for some other purpose, and he wants to check whether the shares that he hold are safe. And he has also mentioned that according to him he has done one blunder in the stock, which is EKI Energy, and he has lost all hope in that share. So there are two portfolio which the investor has sent. Both are of close to 50 lakh rupees. And since we will be reviewing two portfolios with multiple companies, we will go very quickly on the known companies. Only on the new companies which we haven't discussed on this channel as of now, we will try to spend more time on those. And before starting the review for all the companies, just one disclaimer that these are all my views. Please do your own research also in case you want to take any buying or selling decision. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get regular update whenever a new video is uploaded. And in case you like the video, please do hit the like button. It will help the video reach more and more audience and more people can benefit from the video. So let's start. So here you can see the invested amount is 55 lakh. Current value is 66 lakh rupees and currently there is a profit of 11 lakh rupees which amounts to 20%. So here we can see that the profit percentage is very good, and the main reason contributing to this good return is because he started investing since 2019. So first company is Asian Paint. Quantity invested is 121. Invested amount is 3,22,000 and currently there is a profit of 4.68%. This company is a market leader. You can continue in my opinion. Next company is Astral. Quantity invested is 135. Invested amount is 2,60,000. Currently there is a loss of 1.57%. This also is a very good company, a leader in the piping segment. With this also you can continue and keep it in your portfolio. Next company is Bajaj Finserv. Quantity invested is 450. Invested amount is 2,39,000. Currently there is a profit of 165%. With this company also you can continue and keep it in your portfolio for long term. Next company is Bajaj Finance. Quantity invested is 150. Invested amount is 3,21,000 and currently there is a profit of 200%. So the invested amount has tripled. This company you can definitely sell. Sorry, I'm just joking. You don't have to sell this company at all. This is an excellent company with excellent management. It's a no-brainer. You should definitely keep it in your portfolio. Next company is Bata India. Quantity invested is 150. Invested amount is 2,12,000 and currently there is a profit of 4%. So now I'm at the chart for Bata India, and if I look at 1 year return, it's a negative 24% and 5 year return are close to 100% and maximum return are 1,500%, and the chart pattern also looks decent going from the bottom left to top right. So this company in my view is a okay company. It will not make your investment amount zero also, but it will not give you very exponential return also. It may keep compounding your return by 10 to 12%, and the reason why I'm saying this is because of the return profile. You can see the profit compounding is not that great. Only in the last 12 trailing month it shows good profit. Sales compounding is also almost in single digit. Only change is in the last 12 trailing month. Return on equity for 10 year, 5 year is fine, but for last 3 year, last year is in single digit, and stock price CAGR for 10 year has been 14% and 5 year 15%. So this much of return you may expect with this company. I will leave the decision with you. In case you have conviction, you can continue with this company, but in case you don't have too much of conviction on this company, then you can also exit from this stock and invest in any other market leader also. Next company is BSC. Quantity invested is 156 plus 16 more have been added. Invested amount is 83,000 and currently there is no profit, no loss situation. This company is also a below average company. Don't expect too much return from this company because it will be very cyclical. Whenever there is a bull run, you will see the company's share price going up, but whenever the share market will consolidate or whenever there will be a bear run, then you may not see that much of performance in this company, and you may also lose out whatever you have gained so far in the bull market. So if I were you, I would have invested in any other company which is from the consumption sector, banking sector or IT sector, because in the long term these companies can give you good returns even if you do not make any changes to your portfolio. Next company is CAMS. Quantity invested is 110. Current invested amount is 2,20,000. Currently there is a profit of 13%. This company also in a way related to the share market, just like BSC. So you can expect a similar kind of movement in this company also. So BSC, CAMS, CDSL, all these companies which are related to stock market directly or indirectly, these will always perform well in terms of bull market and vice versa. So if you're looking for consistent compounder companies which can consistently grow your wealth, then I think you should avoid these companies. Next company is Clean Science. Quantity invested is 110. Invested amount is 1,81,000 and currently there is a loss of close to 13%. This is a good company but a newly listed company. We have discussed about this company on our channel as well. The company's performance and the business is very good. The company is also posting solid profits and you have also invested a small portion of your capital. So you can continue with this company. But since this is a newly listed company, do keep a track on its quarterly results and yearly results. Next company is Schaeffler, and quantity invested is 70, invested amount is 1,95,000, and currently there is a loss of 3%. This company is in the business of manufacturing bearings, and now I'm at the chart for Schaeffler India, and if I look at 1 year return has been very good, close to 60%, and if I look at 5-year return again looks very good, 179%. And if I look at the maximum chart pattern also looks good, going from the bottom left to top right. Now we are at the return profile for this company, and the profit compounding growth is very healthy, and the sales compounding growth also looks very decent. Return on equity is also very good, above 15%, and the stock CAGR is also looking very good, 10-year 26, 5-year 22, 3-year 47, 1-year 57. You can see here that this company is from the bearing sector, and currently this is the market leader in the bearing sector. And if I look at the profit also is increasing at a good rate. You can see in December 2016 it was 299, then it increased to 683, then 740, then there was a dip for 2019 and 20 because of COVID, and then again it picked up, and for 2021 it was 973, which increased to 1294. So it's a good company, a market leader in its sector. The financials are also very strong. The profit growth, the sales growth, the return on equity, and the CAGR percentage is also very healthy. So in my view, you can continue with this company also. It's a good company. Next company is SRF. Quantity invested is 90, invested amount is 2,13,000. Currently there is a loss of 5%. This also is a good company from the chemical sector, and the profit of this company is also increasing at a good rate. So in my view, you can continue with this company also. Next company is Tata Consumer. Quantity invested is 281, invested amount is 1,70,000. Currently there is a profit of close to 19%. This company is from the FMCG sector, and in the FMCG sector, this is one of the few company which is growing at a very healthy rate and is also providing good returns to its shareholder. So you can continue with this company for long term. Next company is Tata Investment. Quantity is 100, invested amount is 2,11,000. Currently there is a profit of close to 6%. In my opinion, I don't think this is such a great company to invest and keep in your portfolio. There are better companies, there are better market leaders, better growing companies that you can keep in your portfolio. And now I'm at the chart for Tata Investment, and this is the long-term chart pattern, and you'll see that from the period of 2007 till 2020, almost 13 years, company just provided a return close to 18%. In the last 5 years, the company's returns are showing good because there was a bull run after the COVID. But these companies are not consistent compounder companies or market leader companies. So in case you want good return and want to invest in safe companies which can keep compounding your wealth, your first preference should always be the market leaders of the sectors which are very essential. Next company is Vinyl India. Quantity invested is 210, invested amount is 1,10,000. Currently there is a loss of 29%. So this company is from the chemical sector, and you can see that this company's business is of trading in chemicals and mainly in vinyl acetate monomer, which is called VAM. And this chemical is a very essential chemical for adhesive industry, paint industry. And you can see that this company is promoted by Pidilite Industry. So you can say this is a subsidiary of Pidilite Industry. And you can see that the company generated 82% of its revenue by the sale of chemical to its promoter company, which is Pidilite. To me, again, this is a okay company, but if you have conviction, you can continue with this company. Next company is Reliance. Quantity invested is 109, invested amount is 2,21,000, and currently there is a profit of close to 19%. So with this company you can continue for long term also. Next company is Root Mobile. Quantity invested is 150, invested amount is 2,09,000, and currently there is a loss of 10%. This company we have discussed on our channel previously also. This again is a newly listed company, but the business of this company is very good. The company is posting very good profit numbers. It is not performing right now, but I think it has the potential to do very well in the coming future. So if you have conviction, you can definitely continue with this company also. Next company is SBI Life. Quantity invested is 101, invested amount is 1,17,000, and currently there is no profit, no loss situation. This also is a good company from the insurance sector. In case somebody wants to invest in the insurance sector, then we have two companies. One is HDFC Life, another one is SBI Life. Both are good companies. You have selected SBI Life. You can continue with this company also. It's a good company. Next company is Rajratan Global Wire. Quantity invested is 210, invested amount is 1,37,000. Currently there is a profit of 16%. This is a small cap company with a market cap of close to 3,000 crores. So according to your portfolio size, you have invested a small portion only. So you can continue with this company. This company is also fundamentally very good. Next company is Relaxo. Quantity invested is 282, invested amount is 290,000. Currently there is a loss of 23%. This also is a good company. You can continue with this company. Currently this company and other companies in the footwear sector are facing pressure, but this is all temporary issues. If your horizon is long term, I am sure this company is going to provide you better returns. Next company is Saregama. Quantity invested is 590. Invested amount is 2,41,000. Currently there is a loss of 17%. Now I'm at the long-term chart pattern for Saregama, and you can see that for this period, this company has not provided very good returns to its shareholder. So this is what is the problem with these type of companies, that you will never know when this company will go into this phase again. And this is a very, very long phase. It's a period of close to 20 years. So if I were you, I would have not invested in this company. I would have rather gone with a market leader of consumption companies, of essential companies. Next company is Sonacoms. Quantity invested is 451. Invested amount is 2,60,000, and currently there is a loss of 20%. This company belongs to the auto auxiliary sector. This also is a recent listed company. It has not performed as of now, but considering the way it is growing its profit and sales, in the long run this company can also do well. Next company is Tata Communication. Quantity invested is 140. Invested amount is 181,000. Currently there is a loss of 4%. This also is a okay company, not a great company to have in the portfolio. Again, instead of this, I would have preferred a IT company, because I do not see a IT company in your portfolio as of now. Or I can also go with a banking company. You can go with SDFC, ICICI, Kotak. All these three banks are good bank in the private sector. And if you believe that India will continue to grow, then the banking sector will have to grow. India cannot grow without the banking sector. So banking sector is also a very essential sector to have in the portfolio. And also, if you look at the percentage allocation of the banking sectors to Nifty, you will see that the banking and NBFC sector has the maximum allocation in Nifty 50. Next company is Tata Elxsi. Quantity is 56. Invested amount is 2,44,000. Currently there is a profit of 52%. With this company you can definitely continue. This is from the product IT sector, and this company is also posting very good result and is growing at a very healthy rate also. Next company is Tube India. Quantity invested is 68. Invested amount is 179,000. Currently there is a loss of close to 8%. This company is also a good company. You can keep it in your portfolio. Next company is VBL. Quantity invested is 350. Invested amount is 2 lakh, and currently there is a profit of 120%. This also is a great company to have in the portfolio. In this FMCG sector, this company is growing at the fastest rate. With this company you should definitely continue. I think this company has the potential to grow even bigger, and you have already entered in this company at a very attractive level. You should definitely continue with this. Next company is Happiest Minds. Quantity invested is 250. Invested amount is 1,75,000, and currently there is a profit of 19%. This also is a good company from the IT sector, a small company, so you have invested a small portion of your capital. You can continue with this company in my opinion. Next company is Hindustan Unilever. Quantity is 130. Invested amount is 2,78,000. Currently there is a profit of 19%. This also is a good company from the FMCG sector. You can continue. Next company is HLE Glass. Quantity invested is 329. Invested amount is 2,18,000. Currently there is a loss of 15%. This also is an average company. You can continue with this company also. Next company is ICICI Bank, and quantity invested is 336. Invested amount is 187,000. Currently there is a profit of 55%. This is a good bank. You can continue with this. Next company is LTI Mindtree. Quantity invested is 38. Invested amount is 174,000. Currently there is a profit of 3%. This also is a good company from the IT sector. Compared to the top 5 companies in the IT sector, this company is growing its profit at a much faster rate. So the probability is there that this can provide you better return than the other IT companies. So you can continue with this also. Next company is LTTS. Quantity invested is 87. Invested amount is 3,27,000. Currently there is a loss of 3%. This also is a good company, a product IT company. Also is growing at a very good rate. So you can continue with this company also. Next company is MTA Technology. Quantity invested is 110. Invested amount is 172,000. Currently there is a profit of 9%. This is also a small cap company, a recent listed company. The business of the company is very good and the profit are also increasing at a very healthy rate. So you can continue with this also. Next company we have is Nestle India. Quantity invested is 15. Invested amount is 2,72,000. Currently there is a profit of 6%. This also is a good company from the FMCG sector. It has 90% market share in the baby food segment. This is a very safe company to have in the portfolio, and this is a type of company which will be there after 15 to 20 years also. Next company you have is Pidilite. Quantity invested is 120. Invested amount is 276,000. Currently there is no profit, no loss situation. This also is an excellent company from the sealant and adhesive sector. You can definitely continue with this company also. This company is also a market leader in its sector. So this brings us to the end of the first portfolio. So coming back to a question whether you can leave these company in your portfolio. So I think majority of the companies that you have in your portfolio are good companies. I only have some doubts on companies like Saregama, Tata Communication, Tata Investment, Bata India. Apart from these four, I think all other companies are good companies. If you have conviction on those companies, you can continue to hold them. In the long term, they can provide you very good returns. The second portfolio we will review in the next video, because this video will otherwise become very long. If you are new and want to start your investing journey, then the link is mentioned in the description box. You can use that link to open your free demat account and you can start investing. Bye for now. We'll meet in the next video with some new information. Thank you.